Here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. So with XRP, from the beginning of 2023, what we had is a five-way move to the upside in the form of an ascending broadening wedge, with our wave 1 topping out at the 1.236, and then we had a WXY correction for our wave 2, with our wave 2, or our Y wave, coming and wicking down to the 70.2% fib for our capitulation event, which we had with Bitcoin. Now all we're seeing over here is just chop at the lows before we have a very violent and explosive wave 3 to the upside, macro wave 3. Okay, now if you guys haven't seen my Bitcoin video, please go ahead and take a look at that. If Bitcoin drags down XRP below 0.45282, then it's likely XRP will wick down to the 786 at 0.385 for our worst case scenario. Okay, so this over here would be considered our capitulation event. So this would be your selling climax, your automatic rally, secondary test, fail break, a check back before we continue higher. However, if XRP loses 0.45282, then it's likely will come and wick down here at 0.385, and then it gets bought up very, very quickly, and then we have a violent macro wave 3 to the upside, very much like 2017. Okay, you see how we had this huge wick over here? You see how fast it got bought up? I'll show you. You see how fast this wick got bought up over here? And then we went ahead and had our very impulsive wave 3, 4, and 5 to the upside. To the naked eye, it just looked like one straight line up, and I really do think that XRP is going to do that. I do think it is going to look like a straight line up to the naked eye, right? And yeah, so nothing to worry about with XRP. We're still within a Wyckoff accumulation schematic number 2. We have been making higher lows with the rest of the market since January 2023. And even if it were to come down to this 786 here, the bullish structure would still be intact. Now remember, I don't think we come down to this 786. My bias is that this over here was the bottom. This over here was the selling climax. However, in the event that XRP loses 0.45282, it's likely that it would come and wick down here, and then you would see a violent move up. Okay, you would see it would be in the form of a wick, and then you would see us finally start our wave 3, or a macro wave 3 to the upside. As you can see, we have been within Wyckoff accumulation for almost 2 years now. Okay, so just to let you know that all of these moves here that you see aren't random. Okay, it's just by the composite operator. What you have over here is your selling climax, your automatic rally, secondary test of the lows, your failed breakout, secondary test in phase B going below the psychological support, which caused a short squeeze to the top of the range for our fail break number 2, and then price gets squeezed down to mid-range. Okay, price gets squeezed down to mid-range for our last point of support before entering into our sign of strength when Ripple had its victory against the SEC in court, right over here. After this SOS phase, what do we have? We have our backup phase, okay, at the top of the range. So this is exactly what we see. We're still within our backup phase, and we had this backup phase in the form of a WXY correction, with the Y wave wicking down to the 70.2% fib. As most of you know, the 70.2% fib is the retracement crypto likes to hit before it tends to see a hard reversal. This is just the way the algorithm works. Okay. In extreme cases, it comes down to the 786 before you see a hard reversal. That's in extreme cases. Okay, so let's not jump to conclusions yet until we see some invalidation. But I do think that this WXY correction and wave 2 is done, and we're just seeing chop over here at the lows. If XRP loses 0.45282, it will likely come and wick down over here and then get bought up very, very quickly from there, and then we can go ahead and start our wave 3 to the upside, a very explosive wave 3. So as you can see, all of these waves ever since XRP's birth or creation has been plotted out. Nothing is random, everything is calculated over here, and if you want the exit zones or the exit targets and DCA levels, then please click the link in the description below to join the Discord. You get access to over 350 assets. You guys can ask me any question you want, and you guys can get access to that XRP roadmap. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you are an XRP holder, do not worry. I know you guys worry yourself sick, but just remember that all of these moves over here are not random. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.